Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so installations can proceed. Go to Settings and enable Install Unknown Apps for your browser or file manager. This allows APK installers to run. Once done, confirm you have about 1 GB free and a charged battery or charger connected. Make a quick backup of contacts and photos so nothing is lost. Also check the date and time are correct, because Google services check that. This step prevents certificate and sync errors later. Now install the core Google components in the right sequence to avoid crashes. First, sideload Google Services Framework. This enables account and sync hooks. Next, install Google Play services matched to your device architecture and Android API level. Mismatched versions cause boot loops or instability. Finally, install the Play Store APK itself. After each install, open the app once and allow necessary permissions so background services register. Make sure you reboot after Play services to let system services finish by signing into your Google account through the Play Store and granting all requested permissions so sync and notifications work. Once signed in, update Play services and Play Store when prompted, and restart the phone to stabilize processes. If you see authentication or Play Store errors, clear data and cache for Google Play services and the Play Store, then reboot and try again. If problems continue, remove any duplicate store managers or conflicting Huawei helper apps, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.